All right. Are you ready?
What's your lunch? She's going to
All right, big boy. Can you look that way and say hi to the camera? All right, good job. You ready for your adjustment? Okay. Your computer is right here, and we're gonna check. I heard you're gonna have a good day today, buddy. Are you going somewhere with Gaga? Nice. I think you'll have fun. Hey, listen. Your right leg is shorter than the left one. This one. We're gonna fix it, okay? Because when I push right here, that doesn't move the same as this one. Turn on your side, face that way. That way. I know. I won't mess with your band-aids. Good job. Let me have your arm. Oh, yeah, good job. Are you ready to feel great? Hold right there. Bring this up. Bring this leg down. Bring this over. All right. Are you ready? When you're ready, say go. Go. Did you hear it? Did you feel it? Was it good? All right. Go back on your belly now. Face down. All the way down on the belly. Cool. So this leg was shorter than this one. Put your head straight. Good boy. All the way down. Okay. Now your legs are even length. Very nice. So this is good. This is good. Maybe. Is that a bad guy right there?
No.
Are you sure? It's a bad guy. Turn over on your back. We're gonna fix it.
Yeah, that's a ball.
It's a bug?
No, it's a ball.
It's a bone?
No, it doesn't have a background.
Right? Yes. Look, right here. Right there. Do you feel that? That's a bad guy. Can we fix it? Okay, we fix it. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Got it. Did you hear all the sounds? Is it better? Let me see. Is it better? Does it? Okay. That was a bad guy. Give me 5. Come on. Good job. All right, put your hands. Wait, put your hands on your belly. Bad guys are right there too. Well, maybe your band-aid will fix that. All right, put your leg down. Good. Put your hands on your belly. Do you know why you have to cover your belly? So your belly button doesn't fall off. All right, let me see. Let's see if there's a bad guy in here. What do you think? Which one? This one or this one? In the front? Are you serious? Okay, but what about between this one and this one? Which one is a bad guy? This or this? This or this? This one? Okay, is it more here or is it here? Here, okay. Should we fix it? Okay, hands on the belly. Make sure your belly button doesn't jump off. Are you ready? Wait, when you're ready, say go. Did you hear it? Was it loud? Does it feel better? Wait, let's check. Is that better? Do you have any more bad guys? No? Okay. Come on up. How do you feel? Give me 5. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.